On March 11, 2025, the Estonian Defense Investment Center, ECDI, delivered nearly 50 Turkish-made wheeled armored vehicles to the 2nd Infantry Brigade. These vehicles, acquired from Turkey, mark a significant step in Estonia's defense modernization program. The majority of the newly received fleet consists of Arma 6x6 armored personnel carriers, APCs, specifically assigned to infantry units, while the NMS 4x4 armored vehicles were designated for combat support units within both the 1st and 2nd Infantry Brigades. Additionally, a smaller number of 4x4 armored vehicles were procured for Estonia's rescue board, aimed at enhancing internal security operations. The first batch of vehicles arrived in late 2024, and conscript soldiers from the 2nd Infantry Brigade have already begun training on the new platforms. These armored vehicles are set to be officially deployed in Estonia's major military exercise SIL in May 2025. Under the procurement agreement, all ordered vehicles are expected to be fully delivered by the end of 2025. The purchase of Turkish armored vehicles is part of a broader initiative by Estonia to modernize its military and internal security forces. This initiative also includes the acquisition of French Caesar self-propelled howitzers and the development of Estonia's first indigenous missile, the Mark I, which is designed to counter drone threats. In total, Estonia has procured 130 Otokar Arma 6x6 APCs for frontline infantry and reconnaissance units, 100 Nurol Makina NMS 4x4 tactical vehicles, which will be deployed across the Estonian Defense Forces, EDF, and internal security agencies. This procurement significantly enhances the mobility and survivability of Estonia's 2nd Infantry Brigade, which previously lacked armored wheeled vehicles. Additional NMS 4x4 units have been allocated to the 1st Infantry Brigade and the Estonian Rescue Board's Explosive Ordnance Disposal Center. The purchase was made under a €200 million agreement signed between Estonia and Turkey on October 18, 2023. The contract includes long-term logistics support, training, and a framework for additional vehicle purchases and spare parts acquisition over the next 10 years. The Arma 6x6 and NMS 4x4 were chosen after an international procurement competition, during which these Turkish vehicles were assessed based on their ability to meet the EDF's operational requirements. Deliveries began in late 2024, and the first batch arrived in Estonia for integration into active duty units. On June 28, 2024, Estonian President Alar Karis, along with Estonian Ambassador to Turkey Veino Reinart and Turkish Ambassador to Estonia Basik Turkoglu, visited Nurol Makina's production facility to inspect the NMS 4x4 vehicles under production. During the visit, Karis met with key figures from Turkey's defense industry, including Mustafa Murat Seker, Vice President of Turkey's Defense Industry Agency, Nurol Holding Executives, Nurol Makina CEO Engin Akol. Discussions centered on production timelines and the security situation in the Baltic region. President Karis emphasized that the evolving regional security threats necessitate timely deliveries, ensuring the vehicles are integrated without delay into Estonia's defensive strategy. The Otokar Arma 6x6 is an amphibious wheeled APC with a combat weight of 18,500 kilograms. Its monocoque steel hull is designed for modular armor protection, offering ballistic resistance against small arms fire, mines, and artillery fragmentation. Key specifications include powerful 450 horsepower turbo diesel engine, enabling a top speed of 105 km per hour on land and 8 km per hour in water using twin hydraulically driven propellers. Hydropneumatic suspension system, ensuring stability and adaptability across diverse terrains. Run-flat tires and a central tire inflation system, enhancing battlefield resilience. The Arma 6x6 can be customized for multiple operational roles, including infantry transport, command and control operations, reconnaissance, anti-tank missions. It can be armed with various weapon systems such as 12.7mm heavy machine guns, 30mm autocannons, anti-tank guided missile (ATGM) launchers. The vehicle is air transportable, fitting within C-130 aircraft and larger military transport planes. Estonia selected the Arma 6x6 based on its proven operational record with other nations, including Bahrain and the UAE. The NMS 4x4, also known as the Yorick 4x4, is a light tactical armored vehicle featuring a V-shaped monocoque hull for protection against mines, IEDs, and ballistic threats. Key specifications include 300 horsepower diesel engine, reaching speeds of 140 km per hour with a 700 km operational range. High mobility, capable of traversing water up to 90 centimeters deep, crossing 0.9 meter trenches, and climbing 70% gradients. Scalable armor protection, adaptable to mission-specific threats. The NMS 4x4 can be configured for various roles, including personnel transport, reconnaissance, air defense, medical evacuation. It supports remote-controlled weapon stations armed with machine guns, automatic grenade launchers, or anti-tank guided missiles. While primarily acquired for military use, NMS 4x4 vehicles were allocated to the Estonian Rescue Board's Explosive Ordnance Disposal (EOD) teams. These vehicles will also be available for operations by the Estonian Police and Border Guard Board, the Internal Security Service. According to Tully Rame, Deputy Secretary General for Crisis Preparedness and Civil Protection, these armored vehicles will be used for high-risk operations, including explosive ordnance disposal (EOD) missions, riot control, counterterrorism operations. The Estonian government allocated €2.7 million for these vehicles, ensuring enhanced mobility and personnel safety in hazardous scenarios. Estonia's acquisition of Turkish armored vehicles signifies its commitment to bolstering national defense while maintaining strong defense cooperation with Turkey. During his visit to Nurol Makina, President Karas acknowledged the importance of Turkey's defense industry in modern warfare and stressed that Estonia must continue investing in advanced military technologies to address regional security challenges. With the full fleet set for delivery by the end of 2025, Estonia is significantly enhancing its military and internal security forces. The addition of Arma 6x6 and NMS 4x4 vehicles ensures that the Estonian Defense Forces and security agencies are well equipped to handle evolving threats, solidifying Estonia's position within NATO and strengthening its national security framework. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.